Hey there, this is a video for my 40S Essential class, and all I'm going to do here is just make the answer key to assignments 4 and 5. As I said in the video for the lesson, we're going to skip the assignment for assignment 3, so lesson 3 won't have any actual homework to it. And that takes us to assignment 4. Now I told you to skip number 1 and just do 2A and 2B, so let's do the key for those. So first of all, let's see, if the initial kilometer reading on the odometer is this and the final is that, I just have to subtract those. So that's going to be 40324.3 minus 392.87.6, and just double check that I punched those numbers right, and that would be 1,036.7 kilometers driven. Okay. Number 2, the final is 956.7, and we are minusing the initial reading of 76,543.2 for a difference of 413.5 kilometers. And the reason I didn't assign all of them is it gets pretty repetitive after this. If you could do those two, then you're solid. You got this. Okay, number 3 is the next one we assigned, right? Yep. Okay, a car requires 52 liters of gas, and if gas costs $1.20, calculate the cost to fill the tank. So that's just a quick multiply, 52 times $1.20. So that will be 52 times 120 equals $62.40. Okay, so there's, might as well put key on here for the ones I assigned. Okay, number 4, a bill for gasoline was $21.50. Gas is $1.41 a liter. Determine the number of liters purchased. So that's actually going to be $21.50 divided by $1.41 per liter. And so the dollars cancel, and I have 1 over liters, which is like saying liters. So that's going to be 21.5 divided by 1.41, which equals 15.25. Well, let's just round it to 1 decimal place. 15.2 liters. Okay, a car consumed 70 liters of gas, which cost $89.25. The cost per liter is $89.25. Get it cost per number of liters. So that's 89.25 divided by 70 equals 1 point. And we need to round this to money, so that to dollars and cents. So I'll say that's $1. I could say that actually is $1.28 per liter. Or I could even say that it's, at a gas station they would round it to the nearest tenth of a cent. So I would actually say that's 127.5 cents per liter, which is actually kind of the way more a gas station would do it, right? That's what the sign on the gas station would say. It would say 127.5. It wouldn't say $1.28 because they always go to the nearest tenth of a cent. Okay, so we're skipping number 6, and that takes us to this kind of big chart one. Okay, this is where the bulk of the work in this assignment kind of comes from. So, so for the next row here, they give us the first row and show us how they do it. So for the second row, the kilometers driven is going to be 51,727 minus 51,570. So 51,727 minus 51,570 is equal to 157 kilometers. Okay, and the tank, they buy it 27.2 liters. Cost per liter, gas went up from the last time they bought it. So the cost of the fill is 27.2 times $1.13, which is $30.74. The fuel economy is this many liters divided by this number divided by 100, right? Because it's per every 100 kilometers driven. So the actual calculation is going to be 27.2 liters divided by 1.57, right? Because that's how many hundreds this is. So 27.2 divided by 1.57, and that's going to equal 17. We'll round that to one place. That's 17.3 liters per 100 kilometers. And the fuel economy in dollars per 100 kilometers, well, okay, it cost me $30.74 to drive 1.5700 kilometers. So that's 30.74 divided by 1.57, and that's going to be $19.58. Okay, next. All the rest of these numbers work the exact same way. So basically I take this number minus that number now. So let's see, we've got, oops, I'm off the screen here. 51,947 minus 51,727 is 220 kilometers. And then it's 41.8 liters times $1.08 per liter is 45.14. And the fuel economy is 2.2. Or no, sorry, it's, what am I saying? It's 41.8. That's what it is. 41.8 liters used per 2.2 hundreds. So 41.8 divided by 2.2, and that is exactly 19. Okay, and that's in, again, liters per every 100 kilometers. And the fuel economy in dollars per every 100 kilometers is, well, the 2.2 is, again, how many 100 kilometers, and it cost me 45.14. So 45.14 divided by 2.2, and that's $20.52 when I round it. Next one, 52,280 minus 51,947, and that is 333 kilometers. And I drive that many kilometers, and it's 51.3 liters at $1.17 per liter, which is $60.02. So my fuel economy is 51.3 liters divided by 3.33 100 kilometers. So that's 15.4. We'll round that too. And that's liters per 100 kilometers. And my fuel economy would be the cost, which was 60.02, and divide that by, again, what was it again? 3.33. And that is $18.02. And last one, 52,565 divided by, no, not divided by, minus, I meant to say, 52,280. Oops, I'm off the screen, sorry about that. Is 285 kilometers. And we've went 52.2 liters at $1.20 per liter. I'm off the screen again, sorry about that. And so 52.2 times $1.20 is 62.64. 62.64. And my fuel economy in liters is going to, or in liters per 100 kilometers, is 52.2 liters. I'll just punch it. 52.2 liters divided by 2.85 hundred kilometers, and that's 18.3. And the fuel economy is 62.64 divided by, and what was it again? 2.85, right? 2.85. And that would be $21.98 per every 100 kilometers. And there we go. So there's number 7. And for number 8, using the information from the chart in 7, what was the total quantity of gas purchased? Okay, so the total quantity of gas purchased would be to add up all those. So 27.2 times 2 plus 41.8 plus 51.3 plus 52.2 is 199.7. 199.7 liters. What was the total cost of all that gas? It was 30.46 plus 30.74 plus 45.14 plus $60.02 plus, let me make sure I'm getting all this, 62.64 equals exactly $229. Is that true? That's a 0 and 4 and 6 and yeah, that's a 0. So $229 exactly. That's pretty cool. $229 exactly. What was the total distance traveled? Okay, so the total distance traveled is, the first one was 198, the one I didn't have to calculate, plus 157, plus 220, plus 333, plus 285. And that's 1193. And the average fuel economy for the whole trip in liters per 100 kilometers is 199.7 liters, and this is in kilometers, so in hundreds of kilometers that's 11.93 hundred kilometers. So that would be 199.7 divided by 11.93, and that is 16.7. So 16.7 liters per 100 kilometers. So there's my first answer. And now, what about in money? So my total cost was $229 divided by 11.93 hundred kilometers. So that's 229 divided by 11.93. And that is $19.20 per every 100 kilometers driven. There we go. There's our assignment 4 answers. Assignment 5. For the following questions, the freight charge will be $850 and the excise tax for air conditioning is $100. So don't forget those two numbers. We got to put them on every single one of them. Prima buys a new 2-door Neon Sport Coupe with a base price of $17,218. So her total price is going to be $17,218. Plus, she buys an option package for $24.90. She puts a stereo in it for $665, and there is a freight charge, which we said is $850, and an air conditioning excise tax of $100. So that's her total price. So let's add all that up, shall we? That's going to be 17,218 plus 24.90 plus 665 plus 850 plus 100, oops, 100, not 10, equals 21,323, $21,323. Her trade-in, does she have a trade-in? It does not say that she's trading in a vehicle, so no trade-in. So we got to put taxes on that, so that's 1.12 times 21,323. So take the number that's already on my screen and times it by 1.12. And that is $23,881. So 23, let me read that number closely again. $23,881.76. Forgot my dollar sign. And finally, the purchase price is, oh, sorry, it wanted the actual taxes and then the purchase price. Oh, well, oops, my bad. So I guess actually this number goes down to here. This is the number they want there. 881.76, and actually they want to know what 12% of that is. So 0.12 times 21,323. So the taxes are actually, so the actual taxes are $2,558 and 76 cents. Yeah, 76 cents. There you go. So actually this is the number they wanted for the taxes. Then there's the total price. Okay, so that was number 1. Number 2. Anthony decides to buy a new Honda Accord. He pays the base price of $24,673. He has an option package of $2,614. He adds an automatic transmission for $695. There is a freight charge. What was the freight charge again? The last question said what it was. That's how good my memory is. The freight charge for all these questions is $8.50 and the air conditioning is $100. Okay, so $8.50 add 100. So there we go. That's our total price. So let's see. Let's add all that up, shall we? Erase everything else. 24,673 plus 2614 plus 695 plus 850 plus 100 is $28,932 is his total price. His trade-in is $4,500, so we can minus that, and that gives us a new price of that minus $4,500. So he now has a price of $24,432. Now we want the taxes on that, which is 12% of $24,432. And so he's paying $2,931.84 in tax. So that's $2,931.84 in tax. So his grand total is to add that to $24,432. Which again, I wouldn't bother doing that. I've always just taken the $24,432 and times it by 1.12, but they wanted to know how much the taxes were. So that is $27,363.84. Okay, example 3. Alexa wants to buy a new Ford Focus. The base price is $22,995. She is getting power windows and power locks for an extra $300. That'd be quite a bargain for that. Oh, and $285. Yeah, that makes more sense. There we go. It's two prices, one for the windows, one for the locks. Okay, it doesn't say anything about freight or excise taxes, so maybe she doesn't have to pay those. So $22,995 plus $300 plus $285 is $23,580. Okay, and does it say she has a trade-in? It does not. How much are the taxes on that? Let's times it by 12%. $28,2960. Don't forget that zero. And so the purchase price will be this plus this. So I just have to add that to the $23,580. And that is $26,409.60. Okay, and last one. Sean buys a new light-duty truck with a base price of $18,059. He orders the decor package. So $18,059 plus the decor package plus bucket seats. He wants a larger engine, so that's a little more money. And then freight and air conditioning. So freight was $850, air conditioning was $100. So a little more numbers to add together this time. Let me erase everything. $18,059 plus $354 plus $235 plus $1120 plus $850 plus $100 is $20,718. He has a trade-in of $2,600, so we minus the $2,600. So minus $2,600, and now we have $18,118. And we want PST and GST on that, so we want 12% of $18,818. So times 12. And that's $2,174.16 in taxes. So that takes us to a grand purchase price total of this plus the 18. So plus $18,118. And that gives us a total purchasing price of $20,292.16. And that is how we get the answers to your homework.